Welcome everybody back to Boost in Motion, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Thank you. Welcome everybody back to Boost in Motion, guys, and today to get some maintenance done on the C63. I'm gonna go all out Motorworks in Long Island. Remember, that's a friend of the Boost in Motion channel, and we're gonna get the Serpentine Belt changed. It's squeaking, and you know, living that VR life, I've always now temperamental with Serpentine belts, so I'd rather change it. And honestly, I don't really, it's kind of a tight space for me to change it, because you know, I like to use my own wrench. But we're gonna have them do it, and yep, let's hurry up and get there. Pretty much, I'm almost already there. Let's go. All right, guys, so we pulled up to All Out Motorworks. We're gonna get some stuff done to the C63. Also, remember, guys, listen, just because I have a Mercedes C63, remember, this shop definitely serves all Infiniti Nissan vehicles, born and bred from Maximas, G37s, Q50s, Q60s, amongst other cars. A lot of information. That's why you see a bunch of Maximas over there. We used to have our Maxima game. But anyway, guys, what we're gonna do now is go say what's up. All right, the usual graveyard. We got a bunch of Corvettes in here because the owner's a Corvette guy too, but a Nissan Infiniti guy too. We got the usual suspects, bunch of broken Infinitis in here. Another broken Infiniti. What's going on, brother? How are you? I know you don't want to be on video because you're working hard. Oh no, here's got a BMW guy. Ah, shoot. We're not doing that. We're not doing any of that on video. We don't do those type of works here. 100%. We don't do that type of work over here. Oh, you're trying to get down that ground over there. He probably has a starting issue. Damn. I used to have one of these blue Q50s, man. Wow. Missed that. Damn. Yeah. That was like 2 years ago. God damn. Alright, guys, so they lifted it up, and for us to change the drive belts on the M177, it has to be changed from the bottom. Seems like you would have to drop some of the subframe just to access it. You also got AC lines and other hoses in the way. We're not gonna do it. But also the belt that was sent may not even be the right belt for the actual car anyways. That's actually pretty kind of funny. But look how tight it is just to get to this main. That's the rear, the crank hub wheel. Look at that. Yeah, it's in a tight spot. Very tight spot. But the condition looks really good. I really only came here because it does squeaks on cold starts. But as it gets hot, I guess more pliable, it gets a lot more quieter. Right, so we changed, well, All Out, not we, but All Out Motorworks changed the low pressure fuel pump, upgrade the low pressure fuel pump in this Q60 because they're going to be going with fully 85. It looks like this is also their flex fuel kit. This is AMS, right? Yeah, AMS flex fuel kit 2 that they're also going to change on this car. And they still got the AMS. Okay, so they might be doing E30. They don't have the low pressure, high pressure fuel pump, right? It's right there too? Oh shit. Time to blow. Guess what? Time to blow injectors. Time to blow it up. That's it. But yeah, they want to go full E soon, so hope they're ready. Alright guys, so I want you guys to know about this belt issue. Now, it seems like Boost is always dealing with these belt issues, but so pretty much I have the 2015 Mercedes C63 with that 177. Now, I've always had this issue whenever I go places. I try to put in 2015 C63, and it always comes up as a 5.5. For some reason, even when I go to the dealer, and what I realize is that was a year when the sedans got the M177, and the coupes still stay with the 5.5 natural aspirated V8. Now, whenever you do go put in any parts store, or even Mercedes themselves, they literally tell you, all right, cool, they'll send you this 6-rib Serpentine Belt. Well, here's the thing, it's 4-ribbed, and this comes up in the system as a 5.5 or the 6, or no, it's a regular coupe C63. So this isn't the right belt at all. And honestly, it's not much of a big issue because it got a better inspection. The belt isn't cracked. It just squeaks on cold starts, but once it starts getting warmed up, it goes away. So we're not going to change the belt today. We ain't changing it at all. But what we will do is get an oil change. Now, oil price is only about, what is it, $10 a quart. This car takes about 9.5, 10 quarts, and I actually got my oil change about a year ago. So I'm actually still on maintenance. Remember, I changed the plugs on this car and a couple other maintenance. So yeah, guys, let's go. Let's just do a quick oil change. All right, guys, so changing oil change on this car is relatively easy. You got 1 splash guard, 2 splash guards, and then 3. The oil filter should be somewhere, I think, over here under here, but you have to take off the other ones first. All right.
Yeah, I actually didn't have to take this off.
Oh, he said he doesn't have to take it off, but he didn't want to have oil dripping on it. How nice of him. He's such a gentleman. And I hit my head right on the goddamn tire. All right. That beautiful oil.
Jesus Christ.
Wow. That shit was shooting out. You could have...
Bro, I know. That's why I hate this shit.
You could have put a dam on it. It didn't harness the energy back.
That shit made at least a light bulb.
9.5. Yo, you dead ass really put it?
Yeah,
really, dude?
Yo, what did I say before it even happened?
It's all right. It's on the wheel.
Clean up some brick.
All right. So
change the hot sauce.
Change the filter. Put the under shroud back.
That takes a million bolts.
Then we're gonna put the 10 quarts of oil in. The story on this car is actually a little funny. You see that it has a lowered in the back, so it's not on air, but pretty much this car got into an accident and the body shop was supposed to fix the car. Seemed like they did fix some of it, but what they said was, hey, they don't want to deal with the rear suspension, so they sent it to All Out Motorworks, so they're going to order the parts and fix the rear suspension, literally just replace the parts, and then they're going to send it back to the body shop to get done. Isn't that kind of funny? You can see that they replaced the door and any other damages that might have been caused already, but I guess the body shop didn't want to deal with it. But the reason why I'm looking at this car is I actually really been looking into a GLC. Now, I know it's not the best looking truck or crossover, but you can get these with the M177 C63 motor pretty much, and it'll be all-wheel drive. It's about the same weight of a E63, about the same weight, 4,400 pounds, but it's about $10,000 to $20,000 cheaper. You can get these for like $60K, $55 to $60K. E63s are still want like $70, $80K. I mean, I would rather get the E63, but you can get these and still get the rear cabin space. Watch, let me see if I can open this up, show you guys. Right? I mean, I don't have kids yet, but I'm just taking a look at it and I'm like, it's not too bad, but a little too carish, too carish for me. Not really digging it that much. Someone broke the window here. I'm not even going to try to open that. And the cabin, they didn't even finish cleaning out the cabin yet. It looked like it was a base. It doesn't even look like it's optioned up. Yeah. You know what's crazy? This actually has less room probably than my own C63. This has the wood trim. Very similar to my C63, so nothing here to really look at. But this in the V8 with the front end usually looks pretty good. Not really a fan of it that much. So what do you guys think? I mean, of course this is not the C63. I mean the 63 front end, but I'd rather not. You know, we got to change that oil, right? And I came here for a Serpentine Belt change. I'm gonna tell you guys right now, I ain't changing it. Because I'm probably only going to keep the car maybe another 6 months to a year. The belt looks perfectly fine. Put some belt dressing on it and call it a day. But we got to change the oil, and it was up time for it to get actually changed. I changed the oil about a year ago in May, and it's May. So yeah, it was time for the oil change regardless. So we didn't waste time out here. But once again, shout out to All Out Motorworks for always supporting the channel. Dear friend of the channel, and continues to show support to the Q50s, Ultimas, and other, modified cars. Well, I love going to the shop. because they take care of you on a car tuner type of category. This is not a regular mechanic shop. This is for people who modify their cars and want modifications to be done. So outside of that, guys, you have a good morning, good afternoon, good night. You already know what to do. Hit your boy Boost up at boostinmotion.g, Facebook, and boostinmotion.gmail.com. Also, remember, hit the like button. For real, you made this part, you hit the like button. Come on, what are we doing over here? Come on, man. It's been a couple of years I haven't been asking for the likes, and now I really got to get it up because we got to get the channel up and going. You know what I'm saying? So through guys' support, when you hit the like button, it really recommends my channel to other people who haven't found me, like you. You found me. So guys, you have a good morning, good afternoon, good night. Thank you. I appreciate you so much. You have a good day. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Do appreciate you guys. Love you guys very much. You can also check out the 2 links I posted for some of my other videos. Also, on top of that, if you want to purchase some Boost in Motion merch, definitely check the link that I posted also. And finally, if you've been watching all my videos and you enjoy them, please hit the link to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you.